Hello! I'm happy to have you back for a new session of meditation with us. Did you find the last session pleasant and you wanted to continue on? Or did it bring up some difficulties? Despite what you might think, this is also normal, so don't judge yourself. You're here again today. Congratulations on persevering. Today we're going to try to identify our emotions. To label them, this is a positive, neutral, or negative emotion, without judging them. And like a soap bubble, let them float away without being swept away by their content. You might have thoughts associated with these emotions, or you might systematically repeat the same pattern from one meditation session to the next. Sometimes your thoughts are so powerful that they appear to be true, while they are far from factual reality. It's very difficult at these moments not to react. Just accept this. Meditation is a long path of learning. You're lucky to be a beginner and to observe, for the very first time maybe, the very attractive power of thoughts and emotions. Certainly, some will catch you for a few seconds before you're able to become aware of their impermanence and come back to the present moment. So enjoy your session. First, sit comfortably on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Sit cross-legged or kneel on the floor. Try to find a comfortable and dignified posture. Your back straight in order to keep your mind alert, but not too tense. Adjust your posture if needed. If you wish, you can close your eyes and take a moment to welcome yourself. What's the weather like inside? How do you feel? Rainy? Sunny? Cool? Warm? Wet? Windy? Breathe in deeply through the nose, then breathe out through the mouth 3 times. Now observe the sensations in your body. Mentally scan the areas of contact between your body and the chair or the floor. Notice the weight of your body, not necessarily the same throughout. On your feet on the floor, or on your legs, if you're sitting cross-legged, or if you're on your knees. Notice the contact between your skin and your clothes. And lastly, notice the weight of your hands and arms lying on your lap. While doing this exercise, don't worry too much if your mind wanders. It's perfectly normal. And as soon as you realize that you've been distracted and your mind has wandered, simply note where it has gone and bring it back slowly but firmly to your physical sensations or your breathing. Some of your thoughts are so powerful and convincing that they appear to be true. Your thoughts tend to decide how you react to daily events. You end up reacting as if things were true. When you meditate, it's good to see that your thoughts are simply thoughts. It's important to learn to identify them when they appear in order to really be able to deal with them later. Now, as you're doing a slow top to bottom body scan, pay attention to your emotions without trying to create emotions or discover emotions. Some of your feelings, your emotions, or your moods may indirectly appear to you through bodily tension, an ache, or on the contrary, a lack of sensations. Whether these emotions are positive or negative, open yourself up to them and feel them. Is there anything new or familiar? Don't try to judge them, avoid them, analyze them. Just allow yourself to notice and to observe with curiosity. Take the time to scan your body, every part of it. Notice which feelings or moods are starting to appear. Before finishing, you can try to make a slight smile with your eyes or your mouth. And with kindness, note the impact of this little change on the other muscles of your face, on your body sensations in general, on your mind. Without making any effort or provoking these sensations, just observe slowly, tenderly. And if nothing happens, it doesn't matter at all. Slowly become aware again of what is surrounding you and stretch. Give yourself a moment before getting back to your activities of the day. So, how was it today? Difficult? Easier? In meditation, there's no good or bad result, since the aim is to observe and to welcome whatever happens. Since you started meditating, have you managed to accept some of the difficulties that you've been experiencing in the practice, or in general? Be kind to yourself. With a new practice such as meditation, it's always a long-term process. Try as much as you can to be patient with yourself and with the possible benefits of meditation. And see if you can bring kindness to your difficulties. Congratulate yourself for this new session. And if by any chance tomorrow or the day after tomorrow you postpone a session, try to see if you deeply blame yourself for it, and try to understand and examine the sequence of reactions that led to that. Just believe in yourself. These daily 10 minutes are small but important steps for your life. See you soon.